Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to take a self-portrait on your own. So maybe you are running an Instagram profile and you want to post photos constantly, so you don't need to have any photographer with you. Here are some useful tips how to take self-portrait photos on your own. You need only two things to make stunning photos, and it's your camera and a tripod. With these two things you can take a self-portrait anywhere. First of all, you have to choose a place where you want to take your photos. You have to choose a background. You can use simple white wall, or you can have photo background, for example dark or black photo background. But on this demonstration I use a white wall. So I chose this background because I wanted to emphasize my vintage dress, and this background was simple, it was white, but it suited to my photos very well. You will need one more thing to make good photos in interior, and it's a light. When using daylight you should situate yourself near to the window. So when you don't have a good daylight or you can't predict the weather, you will definitely need a good light. When you are taking portrait pictures of yourself, you can have just one light. When you already have your background, you can think of composition. When taking portrait, I like simple compositions, but it depends on your preferences. I will show you how I was taking photos of myself. As you just saw, I set up the camera for approximately 10 seconds and then go to the frame. Then I also style and set up myself and wait for the shutter. So if you don't have a light with a big softbox, you can also use LED panel. I use this LED light for interior photo shooting, and I like this light a lot. I put this light on the chair and bounce the light from the ceiling. I take a portrait photo of myself and then some nice details. The whole photo shoot took approximately half an hour, and I did 20 or 30 photos, and then I pick 5 best. When taking self-portraits, you can also focus and take pictures of some nice details. When you are searching for some good tips for posing on your self-portraits, take a look at this video. So now let's take a look how to take self-portraits in exterior. It's sometimes quite more complicated because you have to choose good place, you have to choose composition. When you are going outside, the light sometimes can be harsh or not very suitable for your photo shoot, but you can of course have some light with you. So let's take a look at some examples how I shoot self-portraits in exterior. This was the whole process how I take pictures of myself by myself with using camera, tripod and one light. So I hope these tips were somehow useful for you, and see you in the next video.